Welcome to our channel New Auto Times. The Nissan X-Trail has long been a staple in the world of SUVs, and the latest iteration continues to build on its reputation for reliability, versatility, and modern design. The 2025 Nissan X-Trail is a perfect blend of practicality and sophistication, making it an ideal choice for families, adventurers, and anyone looking for a dependable vehicle with a touch of luxury. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 X-Trail has undergone some significant design updates. The bold V-motion grille at the front, flanked by sleek LED headlights, gives the X-Trail a more aggressive and contemporary look. The sculpted body lines and muscular fenders add to its rugged appeal, while the available two-tone paint options give it a distinctive and stylish edge. The rear of the X-Trail is equally impressive, with sharp taillights and a roof-mounted spoiler that enhance its aerodynamic profile. The overall design is not just about aesthetics, it also improves the vehicle's performance by reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Under the hood, the 2025 Nissan X-Trail offers a range of powertrains to suit different driving needs. One of the most popular options is the 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, which delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. For those looking for a more eco-friendly option, Nissan offers a hybrid variant that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing excellent fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The X-Trail comes with Nissan's intelligent all-wheel drive system, which automatically adjusts power distribution to provide optimal traction in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets, cruising on the highway, or tackling off-road trails, the X-Trail offers a smooth and confident driving experience. Inside the 2025 X-Trail, you'll find a spacious and well-appointed cabin designed with both comfort and convenience in mind. The high-quality materials, including soft-touch surfaces and available leather upholstery, create a premium feel. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide support during long drives, and the second-row seats slide and recline to maximize passenger comfort. The X-Trail also offers an optional third row, making it a versatile choice for larger families or those who frequently travel with extra passengers. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Nissan X-Trail, with a host of features aimed at enhancing the driving experience. The centerpiece of the cabin is the large touchscreen infotainment system, which includes navigation, smartphone integration, and voice control. The X-Trail is also equipped with Nissan's Safety Shield 360, a suite of advanced driver assistance systems that includes features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These technologies work together to provide an added layer of safety and peace of mind on the road. In summary, the 2025 Nissan X-Trail is a well-rounded SUV that offers a compelling mix of style, performance, and practicality. It's a vehicle that caters to a wide range of drivers, from those seeking a comfortable family car to those looking for an adventurous off-roader. With its modern design, advanced technology, and proven reliability, the X-Trail continues to be a top contender in the competitive SUV market.